Hi everyone. Walaikum assalam. Taki, how are you? Is my voice clear to you guys? Welcome everyone. How are you all doing? How are you all doing? I'm great. So it was NFP today, and as you guys can see, some big moves happening in gold. I think we can place some small buyings over here regardless of the conditions. So I'm gonna go with 0.30 and let's buy. Let's see how does it go. So I'm gonna go with 0.30 buy and let's see how does it actually go. I think I'm gonna go put it a stop, take profit. Yesterday, our trades, we closed them early, and soon after I ended the session and happened to check, if I had held it for a while, we would have secured some profits, but unfortunately, we closed it in loss. So right now, as you guys see, this trade is also in profit of almost $30. So let's see how much do we hold it. Let's give it a take profit, I think. Okay, so $50 in. Let's see how much do we hold it for. Okay, so right now the situation is good so far. Okay, almost $80, $100 booked, $100, $130, floating, 140, 70. Uh-huh, mm-hmm. Hmm. How many of you guys took this trade? I think we better close it at 170. Yes, close successfully. So we're having $171 profit so far. Okay. So guys, it was NFP today. That is the reason that you guys can see such kind of volatility happening in the market. So let us see some other pairs if we get an opportunity. Let's suppose Nasdaq. Meanwhile, we're going to be watching gold also. Okay, Nasdaq. I don't think we're going to get a good opportunity as of now, but it's fine. We made some good amount of money in gold. Gold is still going up. Okay, so let's see USD JPY and keep an eye on gold also. We're gonna be keeping an eye. Oh, USD JPY is a good sell, though. Oh wow, this looks so beautiful. Trust me, it looks so beautiful. Hmm. So USD JPY, we already missed the chance. Like it's not the right time to enter now. Anyhow, we can look into some other pairs, obviously. Let's suppose pound versus dollar. Let's see pound versus dollar in a smaller time frame and keep an eye on gold also. Okay, pounder, I think we can sell some. So let's go with pound versus US dollar and let's execute a trade of half volume. Half a lot is gonna do our job. So let's go. Meanwhile, let's try to focus on some other pairs if we have. Let's suppose euro and keep an eye on MT4 and MT5 as well. Okay. Europe, it's fine. We don't think we can get an opportunity in it. Let's focus on pound versus Australian dollar as well, as you know that I do monitor it. Yeah, too weaker. I don't think we can do anything in it. I don't think so. Okay. Let's see dollar index. Bitcoin trading again below 67. That's really strange. Okay, I'm gonna give this a take profit. So that's gonna be around about how much profits? $20 is gonna be hit. Okay. Dollar index is also looking fine, not that bad. Let's go to gold, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going screwed up. Okay, let's see Dow Jones. Dow Jones looks not bad. We can buy some Dow Jones. Okay, let's buy some Dow. Uh, US30. I'm gonna be going with point 30. Yeah, it's good time to buy. Let's go. Our pound trade is also in profit. Let's give this trade also a take profit of around here. And both of our trades, alhamdulillah, are in profit. That's fabulous. That's really nice. Okay, let's focus on DAX as well. It's time for opportunities, right? So I think, yes, this can also. Let's put some buying in and DAX also. Okay, so let's go point 30 buy over here as well. And let's give both trades a take profit. Let's focus on gold as well. Gold went up. We closed it a bit earlier. Let's make some selling on gold, point 30, for scalping only. We're going to be closing it soon. It's for scalping purposes only. Guys, my voice is clear to you guys, right? I hope it's fine. This should be the reasonable take profit for gold. Let's see, how much did we make so far? 171. Let's see how does our day end. Let's see. Okay, one trade got closed. Which one is it? Okay, $32 in, $200 so far. Pretty much decent. Okay, gold TP hit also successfully. That's nice. 266 so far. Nice. Oh, look at the moves. Nice. Oh, okay. This trade actually went to our take profit very close to their place, but it did not trigger. Let's see if it happens once again. Hmm. Let us monitor gold as well. Yeah, gold can be a little bit bearish from here. Let's talk about pound. Pound. You see this trade again went too close to our take profit, but it did not trigger. Pound is supposed to fall from here. A little bit dangerous, to be honest. Gold. Oh, 15. I think we're gonna average it and close all together. We'll close everything together. $180 floating. Let's wait for the closing. Floating. Yeah, it's supposed to retrace from here. Meanwhile, we're gonna be monitoring gold. If we can do anything in gold still. I think we can put a small buy in gold. Hmm. No man, come. Where's gold? Gonna just let's go with small buy for 30 and win profit. I'm gonna be holding it for a while. We'll close it in $100, I think. Should give a breakout. Can it still touch that level? I think it should go to that level. Yes, perfect. Successfully hit. Take profit hit. So $383 so far. Nice. Okay, so now I'm only stuck in Dow Jones, to be honest. That is not looking good at all at the moment. But I think it can go up. I still think it can go up. Like one candle is going to do the job. One candle can easily do the job. You see, gold went up. You can place some more buyings. Yes, Naidu, I just took a couple of trades now, and few are floating and few got closed. So yeah, there was issue with my system. That's why I couldn't come on time, to be honest, guys. So literally just fixed it up right now, and I'm in front of you. So anyhow, still there is time. Still, if there is moves, we're going to be trading, obviously, and not risking unnecessarily. So let's see how does it go. Currently, Dow Jones is creating a mess. We're going to be waiting it for a while, and let's see how does it actually go. Okay, clean zone. Okay, let's focus on Nasdaq. What does Nasdaq have for us? Nasdaq is also, to be honest, on a good place to buy. So let's go with Nasdaq, guys, for a while. Can do the recovery in Nasdaq. Okay, yalla, let's buy some Nasdaq. Perfect. Where is it? We're not going to be holding for too much. Let's give it a take profit. $500 floating now. $600 floating now. Average again. I'm gonna take the help of averaging, to be honest. You're closing everything together. $1,000 loss right now. $1,000. Literally, guys, 1,000. Let's see if we can see some retracement from here, or else we have to book loss. But these are very decent levels to buy, to be honest. These are super, like these are the levels, actual levels. If it does not respect them, then there is no No way that we're going to be holding it. Yeah, see some retracement to be seen. Nasdaq. Nasdaq also has to retrace, have to give some correction. Yes, finally some corrections. What's up with pound? Pound, I think we're gonna close it. Yeah, let's close pound with 50 negative. And yes, 30. These are the last levels. If it doesn't retrace from here, then no use. Literally last levels. Going down continuously. Hmm, 1500 floating. Whoa. I strongly think that still it can give some correction. Let's go with 130 once again. Nasdaq also. And one more buy finally. Let's see how does it go. Finally losses reducing. Hmm, 2200 now. Both of them are right now creating a mess. $2,200. 2,100. 1,700. 1,600. Hmm. 1,300. Few more pushes. We were looking for few more pushes in both Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Couple of more pushes. That's it. Our job is done. The loss is increasing once again. $1,900 loss once again. 2,000. 2,000. Let us see. Look at this big candle. So obviously there's going to be some correction, and we're going to take the advantage out of that correction. But at least if it sustains at this particular level, which is not happening as of now, it's trying hard to go up, but I think it has stopped over here, if I'm not wrong. Let's see, how does it go? Hmm, that's huge. This is the thing. Yes, it's going down further. It is going down further. And I don't think we're going to be holding it further. We gotta close it soon. We cannot hold it further. See again, now it's coming up. Actually, these kind of instruments, these indices, they usually have overextended moves. So it becomes difficult sometimes to, hold it for in losses, although you know that it's in your direction. But sometimes you need to go, do the necessary thing. So if we're gonna be waiting for the closing and taking any necessary action, we cannot, increase the losses. We have to take a limit. I have to go with the limit. Okay, so 2,500 floating right now, which is not looking good at all. Nasdaq is gone. Nasdaq is gone. We're gonna wait, I think, a couple of more minutes and we're done. Further down. Hmm. Yeah. Gold, on the other hand, is decent. We can buy 0.30 gold. So our loss reached 3,000. Loss reached 3,000, guys. 3,000. I'm gonna be recovering it somehow. I don't know how. The next levels are a lot down, so we cannot hold this much loss. I think we got to close it. Hmm. 28,100 gold. I think I'll close. Okay, $80, $82 charge. So $2,700 floating still. I think there can be some recovery done. Mm-hmm. Come on. This is Nasdaq and Dow Jones both have to go bullish together, all together. A couple of more pushes and our job is done, to be honest. We have enough volume, so this volume can be sustainable and it can recover the losses which we have incurred. Not that hard, to be honest. So Nasdaq and Dow Jones both going up together. They're gonna be, yeah, obviously. But if it doesn't go, no problem. You're gonna be closing it in loss. What's the big deal? Yeah, 3,300, 3,200 negative once again. $3,300. Continuously bearish. 3,400 negative now. 2,400. 3,500. Gonna wait for this M30 candle to close and take an action. Almost 4,000 loss. Down. But I have confidence that I'm gonna be recovering this loss, so it's fine. Plus the equity which I'm having, it's sustainable for this kind. Like it can bear it, this kind of floating easily. Such kind of few candles and our losses are recovered. Especially M30 big candle is gonna do the job. 3,300 loss now. Come on. No, I think we're going to be closing it in loss, but let's see, we have a couple of minutes left. It is giving me some hopes, but let's see. Let's see. 3600 floating now. 3600, 3500. Okay. Nasdaq is not behaving now. 3600 again. We're having how much? 60, 90, 0.90 volume of Dow Jones and 90.90 volume of Nasdaq. So 3200 negative as of now. It's giving some recovery right now. Nasdaq also not Nasdaq. Let's see a few more pushes. Let's see a few more pushes. Meanwhile, let's see gold. Okay. I'm gonna wait for gold. Finally, Dow Jones going down. $2,700, 28. Come on, 2 more minutes for this M30 candle to close. There's 30. I think it can give some retracement. Let's see how does the result go actually. It's retracing, to be honest. It's giving some correction. Honest corrections. The loss is reducing. Nasdaq is also recovering. That's decent. But we want a couple of more candles, big candles, bullish candles, so that our averaging trade also gets closed and we close everything all together. So let's see how much do we have to wait further. Almost 15 seconds for this candle to close, this M30 candle. Coming down again. Let's see, now what is the result? Now we're going to be deciding which side does the market actually go. Mm-hmm. 3,400, 3,200. I'm going to be buying gold if it comes down further. So let's wait for gold, I think. If it's coming down, then we're going to be buying it. Okay. The loss is still the same zone, same, almost the same, like how much it was before. Sometimes the market is slow. $3,200, 3,000. Finally, some recovery. Gold, we're gonna be waiting still. 3,000. 2,800. 2,900. So 2,800 so far. Dow Jones is going up, and similarly Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. It is showing some recovery, to be honest. That's perfect. Guys, let's check out what was the, for those of you who don't know what was the data actually. It was NFP. It was NFP. The data was positive, based on which you guys can see what is going on with dollar instruments. So the loss is still 2,800, 2,900. Nasdaq is doing fine right now, to be honest. We look at this. I'm gonna show you Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. It looks decent, to be honest. The only issue right now is it a Dow Jones, but I think that's also gonna get sorted out. Meanwhile, we're gonna be keeping an eye on gold also. We're gonna be buying it somewhere around below 40s. Below 40s. Finally, Nasdaq again showing some power. Gold all the same place. $2,400. Decent. But Dow Jones not cooperating still. I hope it does. I hope it does. I think it's not gonna happen. Closing hashtag. I'm closing everything, guys. Yes, everything. So we booked a loss of around $3,000 negative today. It's so bad. And look at this shit. Now it's going up. Bullshit. Now it's going up. Anyhow, it's fine. We already exceeded our stop loss, but that's totally fine. In such kind of events, when there is NFP or some big fundamental data in the market, such kind of shits usually happen. But that's totally fine. We're going to be recovering it in the upcoming days. $3,000 is nothing. Like, we usually make and lose. It's totally part of the game, right? So, yes. But now you see it's going up. We're going to be planning our buys in gold right now, to be honest. Let's go with small point 15, and I know it's going to go further down, so we're going to be averaging it with a bigger volume. But just in case, we have some good thing. All of this is a good zone to buy. You see over here, we have some supports over here, so we're good for that. We are good for that, and that is how it is going to be actually happening. So we can wait over here until the next opportunity. Meanwhile, as you see, it is going up. 170, $180 take profit. $90 in. Close. Small buy again. And if it goes down, we're going to be buying again. Again, obviously. $80. Hmm. It's in Nasdaq. No, it's going up. Oh, damn. When we close it now, it's going up. Hmm. Okay, Dow Jones is at the same place, but Nasdaq, shit, it's going up. And we closed it so not early, but still. Mm, yeah, it's fine. It is fine. It is part of the game. I closed it manually, guys. All right, guys. So it was not a very good day today because of Nasdaq and because of Dow Jones. Although it is recovering, but we booked the loss. So anyhow, we're going to be recovering it in the coming up time. So meanwhile, I think we're done for the day. I have to end the session right over here. Take care of yourself, guys. It was pleasure. It was lovely having you all over here. So see you next time. Same place, same time. Yeah. So make sure you guys take care of yourself. Until next time, take care.